Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show how to install Microsoft PowerShell in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Open the start menu and search for Enable, Features and hit enter. In this window, search Microsoft PowerShell and mark this option and select OK. Windows completed the request change. Click on Close. For apply the change, I will recommend the restart your computer. Open up the start menu and select Power and click on Restart. Login in your Windows. And search for Microsoft PowerShell. And hit enter, or search for PowerShell and right click and select Run as Administrator. If you receive an user account control prompt, select Yes. And thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.